welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a JACQUEMUS haul. I mentioned in my previous video that I ordered a few things from JACQUEMUS from their new collection and some other things, and it finally came. I was waiting for them and I'm so excited to finally share what I got. I don't know if I'm going to keep everything. I was just kind of buying it to see if I like it or not because I was always curious about these items. But before I just blab out what I got, let's get right into this video before we get started. Hello, my name is Maria Scotto. I like to do luxury content here on YouTube, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, what's in my bags, anything to do with handbags. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to subscribe and let's be friends. So yeah, let's get right into this video because we have a lot to go through. Okay, so first, when I opened the box, JACQUEMUS doesn't provide boxes for their items, so it just came in a big brown box like so. Everything's in there. And when I first opened it, it came with this little cute postcard, and these are stickers. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so the first item that I got comes in this dust bag. I'm going on a trip soon in August, so I thought this would be perfect. This is what it is. This is the JACQUEMUS bucket hat. I don't know if it has like an actual name. It just says print orange pink flowers. Actually, it's called Le Bob Gajo. It's French, so I'm not gonna pronounce it right, but this is what it looks like. How adorable is this hat? It just has all these flowers on it, and I have a orange bathing suit, so it goes quite well with this. And JACQUEMUS is in silver hardware, and I'll try it on for you guys. So this is what it looks like. Oh, this is not on right. There we go. So this is what it looks like. It's cute. I like it, and it's gonna be good for when it's like hot. So I'm going in Italy in August to do some wedding stuff and vacation a little bit to get away. But I thought this is perfect because it gets so hot in Italy and you don't want the sun beaming on you when you're out and about. So I figured I'd get a little cute hat to keep the sun away from me a bit. But yeah, this is the first item. Super cute. I'm so happy with this. And it comes with like a little stringy so you can make it tighter. And this is a size 58, so fits perfectly. I think it comes in 3 sizes. A 56, 58, and a 60. So I went for the middle size. And yeah. So that is the first item. Super excited about that. And then the second item comes in this dust bag. And I'm kind of disappointed with this item, honestly, because I'll show you. Oh, and I actually got that hat on sale. It usually retails for $110 or $100, and I only got it for $80, I think. I don't know if they provide you with the receipt, but they did provide me with like this little pamphlet. I've showed you guys this before. It has the little card that says merci, which is thank you, and it just has a return label and everything. So it comes with that, but it doesn't tell me pricing or anything. So yeah, so the next item that I got is this pink shirt, and I love it so much because I was thinking of wearing it like a dress. The only thing, I don't know if you guys are gonna pick it up on camera, but let me see if I can bring it close enough. There is this streak. Yeah, you can actually see it. Look, there's a little streak right in the middle of the shirt. It's like a yellow streak. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it was left out in the sun or something. I don't know. But I don't know if I should keep it or not. So you guys let me know. Let me know if I should keep this shirt. But it's really cute because it's simple. I like the pink, and it just says JACQUEMUS right in the middle of the shirt. So it's subtle. It's not right in your face. I tried it on. It's oversized. I wanted it to be oversized because I want to wear it as like a dress with that hat maybe. I don't know if that's a vibe or not, but I think it is. Like, how cute would this be together? And some sandals. but that was my vision. But yeah, this is the shirt I got, and this was actually on sale as well. This retails for $100 and I got it for $90, I think. $10 off. I mean, a sale's a sale, you know. But yeah, that is the second item that I got. So now on to the fun stuff, the handbags. I don't know which one I want to show you first. I think I know which one I want to show you first. So last night I did open it when I got home from work because I was too excited. I needed to see these handbags. For one, because I've never seen them before. Two, I'm just really curious on the sizing and everything. And three, I was waiting for 2 weeks to get this box, and I was like, I can't wait any longer. I'm sorry to you guys, but I had to. You guys know me. I don't have the willpower to wait. I just can't do it. I don't know what it is. Just can't do it, but I'll work on it. Maybe. Anyway, okay, so this is the first handbag that I got, and this was actually on my wish list, not the specific color, but this handbag. So, but I ended up getting, wait, let me turn around. Dun, 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 dun. This is the La Bambino from JACQUEMUS in the beige color. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up well because of the lighting, but it comes out. Okay, there we go. There's that true color. This is like a light beige. It is stunning. This little mini bag, it is so cute. I can't. It is so cute. And it comes with a strap, believe it or not. And when you open it, it has a magnetic opening closure like so, and has some stuffing in there. I think the strap's in here. Where is it in there? No, it's in here. So I kept the strap in here. Ooh. This is the strap that it comes with. I actually didn't open up this strap, so let me open up with you guys. So this is the strap that it comes with. It is the same color as the bag, of course. Gold hardware. And you can put the strap on, or you can wear it just like this. I think I'm just gonna wear it by hand. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna even keep this because I tried to put my phone in here and it does not fit, sadly. I kind of figured that because of how tiny they are, and I've watched videos of this bag and I was like, some people could fit their phone if their phone was small enough. I think like one of the iPhones can fit in here, the older versions, but mine does not. That's super sad, but it's okay. It's okay. So this is so cute. I don't know if I should keep this. You guys let me know which one I should keep, or if I shouldn't keep any or whatnot. But this is the first little guy that I got. I'm super drawn to this one, definitely, because it is beige. It goes with black, it goes with white, it goes with every neutral color, and it's just a cute bag. I mean, I can hold my phone in my hand, not a big deal, but I just thought this was so cute for like vacation, like on a date night. I don't know, but yeah, that is the first item that I got. Okay, so the next item that I got is in here, and I absolutely love this color. It reminds me of something, but I'll tell you after I open it. And yeah, so this is, okay, so this is the JACQUEMUS Le Chiquito Noed. I think I'm saying that right. I hope so. How freaking cute. It reminds me of a chocolate bar. Like, it just reminds me of chocolate, the way the color is against the gold. I don't know. Like, ever since I seen this bag, I was just like, reminds me of chocolate. I just love it so much. I love the handle. So cute. This is what the color looks like. It is such a stunning color. Again, it goes with black, goes with white, goes with beige, it goes with everything neutral. That's why I really like it. This also doesn't fit my phone, which is sad, but it's okay. It's okay. I actually thought this was gonna be a little bit bigger, I was surprised in how actually small this is, but you can fit quite a decent amount still. So when you open it, opens quite nicely as well. I like how it opens and it goes flat down because of the swirly handle. And when you open it, it just has a canvas interior. Really nice. You can definitely fit your wallet, chapstick, keys, hand sanitizer, like essentials, you know? So I think it's really nice. And yeah, this is the second handbag that I got. And it also comes with a strap, so it comes with the same color strap as the bag, which is really nice. I'll also show you guys some mod shots throughout the video of me wearing the bag, so you actually can see the size. I am 5'1", that's my height, so as a reference of how it looks. So yeah, the last item that I got, I absolutely love this bag. It is such a sexy bag. Every time I see this bag, I'm like, dang, that's a sexy bag. I don't know what it is, it just gives me sexy vibes, like badass vibes. So this is what you can hear it rattling. You guys know what this is, honestly. Okay, so this bag is this one, and I sadly forget the name of this bag. Why can't I think of the name? Oh, I know what it is. Okay, this is the JACQUEMUS Shishu S-I-U or C-U-S? No, C-I-C-U. Shishu? I don't know guys. I just know this is a gorgeous bag. I love the material. So this is from the new collection as well, and it is this like tweed material, and it's like an off-white. It's not bright white like the camera is giving off, but this is what it looks like. It is stunning. It is such a stunning bag. So a few cons with this bag as soon as I opened it. It is a sexy bag because of the chain. I love the chain on it, but I was surprised on how cheap the chain feels. I don't know if that's gonna sound bad, but I was like, I don't know if it's because I'm used to the Gucci chain that I was raving about on one of my bags. And JACQUEMUS is a luxury brand, but it is a new luxury brand. Gucci has been around forever and they are an iconic brand, but that's besides the fact. The most struggle about this bag is literally going in and out of it. I don't know what it is, but the zipper is so hard to open. Like, you have to literally put force to it, and when you open it, it barely opens. Like, you have to really pry it open to open. But it is such a great bag. I love unique bags. Like, I love the look of just different bags, not your typical kind of bag. So this one I was really drawn to because it's literally, you know, it looks different. It's not the usual handbag someone would carry. I like the material on it. I like the gold hardware against the off-white of this bag. It is gorgeous, stunning. Also features this little pocket right here in the front, which is nice, that you can put a few cards in or not. So yeah, this is the last item that I got, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite item is, if I should keep any of the bags or just return them all. Let me know what you think of the hat and the shirt, or what I should do with the shirt, if I should keep it or not. It was on sale. It is cute, but is that streak gonna like turn off the whole pink vibe, you know? I don't know. So let me know. Help a girl out, please. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun. I love doing these kinds of hauls. I love watching luxury hauls. It's like one of my top searched on YouTube is luxury hauls. I just think it's so much fun when people, you know, treat themselves and buy things that they want and save for, and yeah, it's really fun. So JACQUEMUS has been one of my brands I've been loving so far, and I'm glad I was able to get a couple bags that I know that I like, because I already have the Chiquito Long, I have the Grand Bambino, and yeah, so you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.